Hello world.
Young Ting, you going crazy.
Well, hello everyone. Today I am gonna solve your pip is not recognized as internal or external command problem in command prompt. As you can see, we type pip in command prompt and it is showing the same error. For solving this, first step, search Python and open file location. Secondly, again a shortcut file will appear, right-click and open its file location also. As you can see, we are in Python main folder. Third, now double-click on scripts folder and copy the path as I am doing. Fourth, now close everything and search this PC in search box, right-click, and click on Properties. Fifth, here you will find Advanced Setting option, click on that and then select Environment Variable option. Sixth, as I am doing, double-click on Path option and add the link in both user and system settings.
Tryna be tough in a world that's a place. You told me that you would stay. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my.
That's all. Now let me check whether it's working or not. And it worked. Typing pip is showing TS properties. Now you can install any module like MySQL connector. Just type pip install MySQL connector or pip install pandas, etc. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it.
Don't you hear me in the night, 'cause I'm probably home crying. Don't you know that I'm still trapped in my mind?